If your vehicle is equipped with a different heater and air conditioner system, see your owner's manual for further details. To display the climate control screen, touch this key on the touchscreen display. There are also controls located on the instrument panel. Touch this key to turn the heater and air conditioner system on. Then use these keys to manually set the desired temperature. Touch this key and the system will automatically regulate and maintain fan speed, airflow, and temperature in the cabin. Use these keys to select from the available airflow modes. The icons indicate which outlets are active. Use these keys to control the airflow strength. Touch this key to activate sync mode. When sync mode is active, the driver's side temperature control will control the driver and front passenger temperatures. If the passenger manually adjusts their temperature, sync mode will be deactivated. This key controls the vehicle's air intake. Touch the key to turn it orange and recirculate air inside your vehicle. This increases AC efficiency and helps to block outside odors. Touch the key to turn it white in order to draw in fresh outside air, improving your vehicle's defogging performance. When this icon is displayed, the air intake will be controlled automatically. Touch this key to manually turn the air conditioner on or off. In hot or humid conditions, a visible mist may be seen coming from the vents when the air conditioner is active. This does not indicate a malfunction. To defrost or defog front and side windows, press this button. This indicator light may also illuminate because the AC compressor is activated to help dry the air and improve window clearing performance. The air can still be fully warmed with the AC activated. Press this button to defrost or defog the rear window and outside mirrors. If not turned off manually, this function will automatically deactivate in a period of time. There is a sun load sensor located on top of the dashboard near the windshield that helps regulate the automatic climate control settings. Do not put anything on or around this sensor. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.